married, I wanna get laid. Tired of swiping, man, I'm sick of this game. Everywhere I go, it's couples in love, holding hands, kissing, man, shut the hell up. I'm fed up with lonely, I'm fed up with fapping. My right hand's tired, my patience is cracking. I see these lovebirds, I see them flex. Hope they crash, hope they fucking wreck. Sipping my whiskey, puffing my cig. Right hand tired, man, life's a rig. Future wife out there, God knows where. Hope she ain't busy getting fucked by some dude there. I pray to God for the breakup at night, like please just one big fight. I don't know where my future wife at. She didn't dig down, man, fuck that. Damn, bro, I ain't hating, I'm just saying why they all booed up and I'm here praying. Cupid out here doing me dirty. Man, I just want a wife before I turn 30. Sipping my whiskey, puffing my cig. Right hand tired, man, life's a rig. Future wife out there, God knows where. Hope she ain't busy getting fucked by some dude there. Check my DMs, no messages seen, man. Even bots don't reply to me. I send a hey, I send a what's up. Left on red, man, my life sucks. I'm sick of the cuddles, I'm sick of the smiles. Fuck your honeymoon, go burn for a while. Future misses, don't make me wait, or I might just start taking my fate. Sipping my whiskey, puffing my cig. Right hand tired, man, life's a rig. Future wife out there, God knows where. She ain't busy getting fucked by some dude there. I wanna get married, I wanna get laid. Man, where's she at? She lost or delayed.